So let's talk a little bit about DeepSeek. Why is it such a big deal? Why is it shaking up the stock market? So basically, DeepSeek is another AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc., etc. Except that some of the smartest models that you can chat with, like on ChatGPT's O1, you have to pay 20 bucks a month to be able to get it, or even $200 a month for their pro plan and their best models. Well, not too long ago, DeepSeek out of China came out and released a model for free that performs pretty much just as good as O1. So, not only that was it free, it used to be a walled garden where all the big tech companies would say that you need hundreds of millions of dollars to create and train these machines, except that the DeepSeek engineers did it with about $6 million. So naturally, it's a massive shakeup. It's become the number one app on the App Store for Apple and the Play Store for Android. And you can start using it right now. You could also, because it's open source, this is a huge deal. Anybody can customize, add their own apps or functionality to it, and you can even run it privately and locally on your computer, which I show in one of my shorts on the channel. One of the big caveats of using DeepSeek is that they straight up tell you any data you send to us or chat with us will be stored on a server in China. But of course, any data that you send to any AI is going to be on somebody's server somewhere. So if you don't feel comfortable posting what you chat on social media publicly somewhere, then you should probably think twice about, sending it. But all in all, this is a really cool development. I think it's going to push everybody in tech to innovate more and come up with really cool new AI apps we're going to see in the future. And I encourage you to take a look. And if you feel comfortable, try it. Note too that it's not anti NVIDIA or they're using some other technology. They're still using NVIDIA chips. They didn't create their own chips, but they came out with extremely clever ways of using them so that they're doing it at a fraction of the compute normally required. So if you want to try it, you can go to deepseek.com to use the web version. You can also go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to get the apps, or you can download it locally using programs like Ollama or LM Studio. So I encourage you to check it out, learn. It's definitely the wave of the future. And for more AI related content, tutorials, etc., I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. See ya.